What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best compost bins outdoor of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter. Transform your gardening routine with this efficient tumbling composter, designed to produce a continuous supply of nutrient-rich compost. Featuring twin chambers, it allows you to compost in one side while adding fresh waste to the other, ensuring a steady flow of ready-to-use compost. The 360-degree tumbling design eliminates the need for manual mixing, while deep fins make it easy to turn and aerate the compost. Enhanced aeration through strategically placed air vents promotes thorough oxygen circulation, speeding up the composting process. Built to last, this composter's sturdy metal frame and durable polypropylene body resist corrosion and weather damage, ensuring reliable use in any climate. To make gardening tasks even easier, a pair of waterproof gloves with ABS plastic claws is included for digging, planting, and other outdoor activities. Simplify your composting efforts and enjoy a greener, more sustainable garden with this versatile composting solution. Number 2. Miracle-Gro Compost Tumbler. Achieve a thriving garden with this high-capacity dual-chamber compost tumbler, designed to produce a continuous supply of nutrient-rich compost for all your plants. Featuring two 27.7-gallon, 105L chambers, it allows for efficient composting by letting you add fresh materials to one side while the other side cures, ensuring a steady flow of black gold for your soil. Perfect for eco-conscious gardeners, this tumbler helps reduce waste by turning kitchen scraps and yard clippings into valuable fertilizer. Built for durability, it features sturdy side locking mechanisms, a galvanized steel base, and tight seals to keep pests out. The BPA-free, UV-protected plastic ensures efficient composting in any season without leaching harmful toxins. Its rolling design makes mixing compost effortless. Just spin it every few days. For added convenience, a pair of garden gloves is included, making the entire composting process hassle-free from start to finish. Number 3. Nazhura Compost Tumbler Bin. Transform kitchen and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost quickly with this efficient compost tumbler bin, designed to accelerate the composting process. The rotating mechanism introduces oxygen into the center of the bin, while internal paddles mix and aerate the materials, ensuring rapid decomposition. The dual bin design offers continuous composting, allowing you to add fresh waste to one chamber while the other completes the composting cycle. Thick insulation retains heat within the compartments, speeding up the process, so you can produce usable compost in just weeks. Accessing the finished compost is easy. Simply slide open the door and remove the organic fertilizer when ready. Ideal for eco-conscious gardeners, this tumbler helps recycle kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and yard waste into valuable compost, saving you money on store-bought fertilizers. The package includes a pair of garden gloves, making it convenient to dig, plant, and handle compost with added protection. Number 4. FCMP Outdoor IM 4000 Dual Chamber. Streamline your composting process with this innovative dual-chamber tumbling composter, designed for easy and efficient compost management. Its rotating design eliminates the need for manual mixing. Just close the door and turn it every few days for quick and thorough blending. Under sunny conditions, nutrient-rich compost can be ready in as little as 2 weeks. Ideal for continuous composting, the dual-chamber setup allows one side to finish curing while the other is used for fresh additions, ensuring a constant supply of compost. Constructed in Canada from BPA-free, UV-resistant, 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, it is built to withstand direct sunlight and harsh weather. The large openings and removable door make it simple to add scraps and remove finished compost, while deep fins and aeration holes enhance airflow for faster decomposition. Supported by a corrosion-resistant galvanized steel frame, this durable composter is perfect for eco-conscious gardeners looking to enrich their soil. Number 5. Redmon 65-gallon outdoor compost bin. Enhance your gardening with this spacious 65-gallon outdoor compost bin, perfect for creating nutrient-rich compost to boost soil fertility. Made from 80% recycled materials, it is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. The bin's efficient ventilation system accelerates the decomposition process, delivering a steady supply of high-quality compost to nourish your garden. Featuring a convenient lift-off lid and 4-door access, it provides easy entry for adding waste and retrieving fully composted material, making composting straightforward and hassle-free. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools, so you can start composting right away. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this compost bin offers an eco-friendly solution to reduce waste and enrich your garden with valuable nutrients, promoting healthier plants and a more sustainable lifestyle. Keep your garden thriving with a reliable and efficient composting solution designed for optimal performance. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.